Mastering Intonation Patterns for the TOEFL Speaking Section. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of spoken English, intonation patterns. For the TOEFL Speaking Section, mastering intonation can be a game changer. Not only does it enhance your clarity, but it also conveys confidence and understanding. Let's embark on this journey together. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of our voice when we speak. It's not about the sounds of words but how those sounds are delivered. Intonation gives emotion, emphasis, and meaning to our words. Imagine saying, "Really?" in a surprised way versus a skeptical way. The word is the same, but the intonation changes its meaning. Rising intonation, often used in yes/no questions. Example: Are you coming? Falling intonation, typically found in statements or WH questions. Example: It's a beautiful day. Example: Where are you going? Rise/fall intonation, used to express mixed feelings or to make lists. Example: Well, I could go, indicates uncertainty. Example: I like apples, bananas, and grapes. The voice rises slightly on bananas to indicate the list hasn't ended yet, and falls on grapes to conclude the list. Fall/rise intonation, used to show that something is not final or to express polite uncertainty. Example: Maybe later? The speaker isn't refusing but isn't committing either. For TOEFL, intonation isn't just about sounding natural. It plays a role in 1. Clarity. Proper intonation ensures your sentences aren't flat, helping the listener understand your points better. 2. Emphasis. You can stress the most critical parts of your answer. 3. Engagement. A varied intonation keeps the listener attentive and engaged. 1. Listen actively. Tune in to native speakers, podcasts, or English shows. Focus on how they use intonation to convey meaning. 2. Practice with sentences. Pick any sentence and try saying it with different intonation patterns. Feel the change in meaning. 3. Record yourself. Listening to your own speech can give insights into areas of improvement. 4. Seek feedback. Practice with a buddy or tutor and ask for feedback on your intonation. Intonation is like the music behind your words. It adds depth, emotion, and meaning to what you say. As you prepare for the TOEFL Speaking Section, don't forget this powerful tool. Happy learning, and remember, with practice and dedication, you can master the melody of English speech. We hope this video has been enlightening and beneficial. See you in the next one.